Hello everyone, welcome back. If you try to create an Instagram story but Instagram camera zoom in zoom out problem in iPhone and iPad, today in this video we are going to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, we have to force close Instagram app, then tap and hold the App Store and tap on updates. Here we have to check the list, is there is any update available for Instagram. If there is, then we have to update the Instagram app first. After that, if you're still facing the same issue, then we have to go to settings, scroll, find and tap on Instagram, and under Instagram there you can see the camera option. We have to turn off the camera. Now force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until you get Apple logo. After the force restart, we have to go back to settings, scroll, find and tap on Instagram and enable camera. Now we are going to the next solutions. Settings, General, software update, and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. Then tap on iPhone storage, and we have to find and tap on Instagram, tap offload app, now tap offload app again. After that, go back to General, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. Put iPhone passcode and tap reset all setting to confirm. After reset all setting, we have to go back to App Store and re-download Instagram. Finally, what we have to do, go to settings, General, iPhone storage, and make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. Then tap on background app refresh and tap again background app refresh and turn off background app refresh. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.